Hi, I'm Amy Kamenick with Aleran Software. We are a software platform that's an all-in-one ERP and CRM connected commerce platform that serves B2B manufacturers who have complex products, complex pricing, and complex sales processes. So they can sell and quote online and across all their channels much faster and with ease. So who do we serve? We serve companies that are across HVAC, industrial machinery, OEM, boilers, just to name a few. So we especially specialize in serving those with highly configurable products. So let me give you an example. You have a customer or a buyer who's coming to your website. They can either call your sales rep or they can call customer service. Or with Aleron Connected Commerce, they could configure a quote independently on their own and then be able to connect with sales. Another way that Aleron can help is if you have aftermarket parts and you need to be able to have customers easily and seamlessly find and connect with those, then they can also self-serve through that. What we're finding a lot of is with changing dynamics and generational changes, and especially post-COVID, people want a self-service option. They want to be able to go online, and manufacturers also need their products to show up in SEO and online and also in AI search. And our product also helps them do that from being discoverable to the ordering to the reorders. We take care of the full end-to-end sales process. Um, so how to get in touch with us? We're at aleron.com. We'd love to hear from you. We recently issued a report where you look at aleron.com slash built to sell 2025. That'll take you through all the latest survey on 200 manufacturers that we spoke with in the US on what they're investing in this year and into 2026 and 2027 for quoting, for digital commerce, and much more. So if you're looking to increase your sales, if you're looking to gain more sales efficiency with your quoting process, we'd love to talk with you.